Here we have a HELICOIL air motor kit. It appears to be used. Has minimal signs of use. It includes all the parts shown here, including your front end part right here. And this goes from number 2 to quarter inch standard and S/L, whatever that means. In any case, it comes with the oiler and your filter, your gauge, and here's the gun. Now we're gonna just quickly just put this together for you, just see that it does operate. You can see it does operate. When you hit this, it goes in the reverse direction. So we're assuming that it's supposed to operate this way. Not quite sure. Okay, just disconnect that. Includes the hose. Here's your hanger for your regulator and filter. Comes with 3 wrenches. Then your air hoses and your air connectors. Comes in a nice plastic case.